Welcome to Business Central Chronicles. This video is about the General Ledger in Business Central. In this video, we'll explore what the General Ledger is, why it's important, and how to use it effectively in Business Central. The General Ledger is the heart of your financial data in Business Central. It's where every transaction is recorded, and it provides a comprehensive view of your company's financial health. The General Ledger is the heart of your financial data, and it's essential for understanding your company's financial performance. Every transaction that occurs in your business, from sales to expenses, is recorded in the General Ledger. This creates a complete record of your company's financial activity. The General Ledger is important because it provides accurate financial reporting. This information is essential for making informed decisions about your business. Accurate financial reporting is essential for understanding your company's financial performance and making informed decisions. The General Ledger also helps you comply with regulations. Many government agencies require businesses to maintain accurate financial records. Budgeting and forecasting are essential for planning your business's future. Now, let's take a look at how to use the General Ledger in Business Central. Posting transactions is the process of recording them in the General Ledger. Generating reports is a great way to analyze your financial data. Reconciling accounts is the process of ensuring that your General Ledger balances with your bank statements. There are a few best practices you can follow to ensure that your General Ledger is managed effectively. Regular reviews of your General Ledger will help you identify any potential problems early on. Internal controls are important for preventing fraud and errors in your financial statements. Backing up your General Ledger is essential for protecting your data in the event of a disaster. The General Ledger is a powerful tool that can help you manage your business finances effectively. When used effectively, the General Ledger can provide you with the insights you need to make informed decisions about your business. Use it effectively to manage your business finances and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow to learn about posting groups in Business Central.